Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the photo order on Frameo Digital Frame in 2026. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to tap on your frame screen in order to open the menu. Now inside menu, you just have to look for the option of settings. Now when you are inside the settings, you just have to basically tap on the option of slideshow. Inside slideshow section, you just have to take a look at the option of photo display order. Now, when you tap on this particular option, you are going to see further options like we have photo display order, and it will be by default as by date received. Then we have the option of by date taken, and then we have the option of shuffle. So you can choose any of these three options in order to change the order of your Frameo digital picture frame. So whichever option you select over here, the changes are going to be applied on your photos. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.